Traditional wood decks are alright, but they have their issues. Peeling paint or fading stain, splits, warps, rotting wood, loose nails, you name it. Now there's another way, a better way to build a deck. We're Silca System, a structural underlayment for elevated decks allowing you to forego the wood and use only the highest quality materials for your deck, such as stone, brick, marble, or travertine. In the next few minutes, we're going to show you how to use the Silca System to get from this to this. For materials, you'll need 3-inch deck screws. Any brand or head will do, but make sure they're coated deck screws to prevent rust in the treated wood of the deck frame. If you choose to do an installation with paver sand, you'll also need landscape fabric and paver jointing sand. For tools, you'll need all the typical tools you'd have building any deck, such as a level, measuring tape, and pencil. You're also going to need a drill or power screwdriver and a circular saw. Always remember to use appropriate safety gear when using tools, and you should also follow the NADRA safety guide when building any deck. Be sure to follow all state and local building codes and acquire any permits before beginning. Silca grates are 1.5 inches thick, and we recommend that the materials you place on the Silca grates be between 1 and 3 inches thick. So make sure to consider existing construction such as doorways, checking that there's enough room between an existing deck and those existing elements to fit both the Silca grates and the overlayment, whether brick, stone, or other materials. Silca grates are made to fit directly onto a standard 16-inch spaced decking base. The side edges for each grate should be directly centered on the joists. To support the weight, each joist needs to be at least a 2x8. Check the condition of existing deck structures, making sure they're in good condition before beginning. Now there are two sides to a Silca grate. The side with the strip going across faces down. When looking at your Silca grate from above, it should look like this, with no strips going across the face. For strength and durability, every other row should begin offset by half the length of a grate, so you'll need to start each row by alternating half and full grates. Once you've begun, the installation goes very quickly. Using your reciprocating saw, cut away pieces of the grate to fit around existing obstacles. The unique design of the Silca system allows for easily cutting the grate to fit around any obstacle. At the end of a row or around curves and corners, you can mark and cut each Silca grate individually, or simply mark and cut all the grates along the edge at once. In less than 2.5 hours, this entire deck has been covered with the Silca system. Now it's time to install the decking material. The first thing we're going to do is install the geotextile or landscape blanket. If you choose not to use sand in the installation, the landscape blanket is not required. Once that's done, you're ready to begin placing your top materials. In this case, the landscaper chose to use sandstone blocks along the outer edge, followed by red brick pavers with a complex pattern of gray pavers for the main decking floor. When cutting the stone, a proper blade is crucial, so we recommend a diamond blade made for cutting stone and tile. It's time to add the fascia. Silca system allows for a wide variety of fascia options. Possibilities. That's what the Silca system is all about. The myriad of opportunities for different shapes, textures, and colors provides for unprecedented creativity in deck design. If you can think it, you can do it. The Silca system is proudly made in the USA. Thanks for watching. You can see now how Silca system allows for an outdoor living space like no other. Outdoor living at its best.